News now from Ghaziabad, where the Hindu Raksha Dal protested against meat sales during the Hindu month of Sawan. They stormed shops, including a KFC outlet, and threatened the staff there. In fact, an FIR has been filed against 8 to 10 unidentified individuals for this entire incident. In fact, this group, they have called for shutting down KFC as well as Nazir. They have demanded a ban on meat sales during Sawan. My colleague Anushka joins us to get us more on this. Anushka, take us through the details of this entire incident. Where exactly did this happen?
That's right, Osama. In a disturbing show of aggression in Ghaziabad's Indirapuram shops like KFC and Nazir Foods were in fact stormed and were in fact targeted by the Hindu Raksha Dal. And they had said one day earlier that they will be targeting shops that will be selling meat products in their in their shop. Now, what is quite disturbing here is that particular route did not fall under the Kanwar route, where generally we see that the meat selling is banned during the holy month of Sawan. But also, what was disturbing is that there was a police presence and they did nothing to stop the Kanwar people who were in fact inside the who were the Hindu Raksha Dal people who were inside the the shops, the stores of the Ghaziabad's Indirapuram. Now the FIR has been registered. Over 8 to 10 people who were there at the site. The CCTV footage is being scanned, and the police has in fact said that they will be taking action regarding this whole issue. But what is quite concerning is that one day earlier the Hindu Raksha Dal had in fact said and had declared that they will be storming shops who are selling meat products in their in a particular area. But also what we saw is that a disturbing visual of aggression, a show of aggression wherein they went inside the store, they started threatening the people, that started intimidating the staff of the particular shops of KFC and Nazir Food. In the video it can clearly be seen the kind of outrage that can be seen by the Hindu Raksha Dal. And they had in fact also said that this is a Indian this is India and no meat will be sold during the holy month of Sawan. They had in fact also said that any shop that will be found selling meat products will be in fact stormed in a similar manner. And this is what the locals and the media, the locals who are in fact there had in fact pointed out that there is no logic behind this whole issue, wherein the Hindu Raksha Dal people had in fact stormed the shops. They had said that this is not even the route of the Kanwar Yatra, and generally we see that during the month of Sawan, those shops had in fact stopped selling meat products when the holy month of Sawan begins. But in this whole matter, what we do know by now is that an FIR has been registered against 8 to 10 people. The CCTV footage is being scanned, and an FIR has been registered based on the complaint of sub-inspector who was present there at the moment. Over to you.
Anushka, what has been the impact on the business of many of these people who run these shops? How have the business, particularly those especially in the food industry, people who are selling non-vegetarian food there, how has that been affected? What are the people saying? What are the people of the owners of these shops saying?
That's right, Osama. There has been a significant impact on the shops who are selling meat products during the month of Sawan. We do know by now is the whole route of the Kanwar Yatra is decided on those particular routes. We did see the Delhi minister also in fact saying that no meat should be in fact sold on that particular area. BJP MLA Tarvinder Singh Marwa was in fact also doing a press conference regarding this whole matter and had said that anywhere where the Kanwar route aligns, there should not be any kind of selling of meat products and it should be banned. He had also in fact mentioned that any shopkeeper will have to mention their names outside their shops as to whose shop this belongs to. Now this has taken a significant hit on the meat selling shops because what we are also seeing is that the members of the Hindu Raksha Dal storming random shops who are selling meats. Now KFC and Nazir Foods are known to sell non-vegetarian products. We did see in the visuals how the Hindu Raksha Dal people stormed the entire shop and threatened the staff, intimidated the staff that this whole shop should be closed. We did see them closing the shutter of those shops, and it was quite a disturbing show of aggression on the part of Hindu Raksha Dal. What was quite disturbing was also the lawlessness that in fact followed there was no preemptive action that was taken against all of those people who had declared a day prior that they will be taking this kind of action on shops who are selling meat products and will be banning them from selling it because this is the holy month of Sawan. What is the normal, way of doing this is that when the holy month of Sawan arrives, on the way of a Kawar route, meat shops are generally declared closed, but this particular shop in Indrapuram did not even lie on the route of Kawar Yatra, and that is what is disturbing the locals. And they have said that there is no logic behind closing random shops which are not even lying and which are not
Right.
even aligning on the path of the place where the meat products are being sold, and that is why it is in fact quite a
Right.
disturbing showcase of aggression on the part of Hindu Raksha Dal. Over to you.